planet Earth. Over time, man has adapted to their environment by creating tools to help perform their tasks. As time progresses, the need for different types of tools arise, with the technology available to design and create new tools constantly evolving. We're StatGear, and over the past few years we've shipped over 10,000 products to our Kickstarter backers. In 2015, we successfully funded the original BitzBlade with over 700 backers. Introducing the BitzBlade 2.0, an evolved multi-tool designed with your everyday needs in mind. The BitzBlade 2.0 has 26 functions, such as 9 double-sided S2 steel bits, 440C stainless steel knife blade, a box cutter and a scraper, a bottle opener, a pry bar, a hex wrench, a carbide tip window punch, and an LED light. Machined from an aircraft-grade aluminum, the BitzBlade 2.0 is super strong, yet weighs less than 3 ounces. Designed with a middle compartment to store one of the 3 interchangeable tools. One of the 9 double-sided bits can also remain within the tool, staying secured by an internal magnet. The BitzBlade 2.0. Join the evolution!
Meet Cauldryn, the first bottle that can boil water from a battery. Cauldryn has 4 heat settings that will allow you to drink your favorite beverage at your desired temperature all day.
Hi, my name is Jason Shin. I'm one of the founders here at Cauldryn, and I want to take a moment to tell you a little about our team and why we're asking for your help to get this awesome product into consumers' hands. The team here at Cauldryn is made up of a group of outdoor industry professionals that combine for over 80 years of experience in the industry. I personally have worked for one of the largest wholesalers in the industry for several years. We've spent our careers working diligently to bring products to market and into consumers' hands. Cauldryn represents us stepping out on our own. When we came across the idea for Cauldryn, we knew we were onto something that had never been done before. The idea at its inception was simply for a water bottle that could boil water from a battery. Building that bottle, we realized that with a few modifications, we could build a bottle that not only would be an amazing survival and emergency tool, but could provide the perfect way to consume hot beverages. Through that long development process, we arrived at a bottle that not only can help you survive Mother Nature, but the urban jungle as well. The bottle we built can boil water from a battery, but that same bottle, under ideal conditions and in the final production configuration, can keep your hot beverages at your desired temperature for days. I wanted to show you our latest fully functioning prototype so you can see this is not an early development idea that we just threw up. Everything you see here is in a fully functional state. The final production tooling has already been started. This final stage through full production is where we need your help. We have the experience and retail relationships to bring this across the finish line, but we need your help to do so. We're far enough along the development process that I can guarantee you if this gets funded, you will get your bottle. Most of our rewards involve receiving our Cauldryn bottle at a discounted pre-launch price. In addition to the great low pre-launch pricing, we will also assure that anyone pledging to fund us through a successful crowdfund will be the very first to receive their product when we begin shipping in late August. Please notice in the rewards we are offering that there are 2 different models available. The 2 models available at launch are the Cauldryn Fire and the Cauldryn Fire Mobile. They will have MSRPs of $69.99 and $129.99. Both models are full boil capable and can run off an AC charging coaster that allows for wire-free drinking. The Cauldryn Fire Mobile model can also run on battery power alone. Enjoy your hot beverages anywhere. Let's take a look at the components that make Cauldryn tick. The fire heating element is the unit at the heart of the Cauldryn system. It has a total of 5 heat settings. The lights on the side of the unit are color-coded to let you know what mode you're in. Hot settings are 125 to 145 degrees. These ranges cover the most popular temperatures to drink coffee. Extra hot is 160 to 170 degrees and is for people that like their coffee hotter than most. Brew is 195 to 205 degrees and can be used to brew hot beverages or to pasteurize water for safe drinking. Boil is 212 degrees and can be used to cook or purify water. The Cauldryn bottle is 16 ounces and vacuum insulated stainless steel. The vacuum insulation helps with Cauldryn's temperature maintenance function, but it also allows cold beverages to stay cold for hours if you don't turn the heat on. Cauldryn's cap has 2 openings. One allows for sipping hot beverages, the other is for pouring. The Cauldryn bottle and base combine to make the Cauldryn Fire unit. Next we will look at the mobile battery. Adding it to the mix creates the Cauldryn Fire Mobile. The mobile battery can power all of Cauldryn's functions on the go. It has 4 lights that indicate how much battery life is remaining. Cauldryn is a truly innovative product. We hope that you will join our team to help us move it across the finish line.